Got something very special for you today, fellas. This is the world's first 8 HP equipped K24 turbo swapped NB Miata. If that doesn't sound cool to you, well, you're not my kind of guy. But if you are, then let's jump in, go for a drive, and see how it performs. Alright guys, this is exciting. This thing is no joke. This is a very serious race car built by Jon Roed, an engineer at one of the big three in Detroit. And this thing is fast, trust me. I'm not going to give you a lap time because I don't want to push this car too hard being unfamiliar with it. But we will get Jon in here at the end of the video to give you a lap time. I really just want to experience the 8 HP Turbo K-Life here and give you guys a bit of a shared experience here. So I'll just start to roll on it here. There's no windows, so hopefully you can hear me. But let's just see how this package works. That is so cool. As you can see, I'm using paddle shifts on the steering wheel like you would with a PDK or something like that. This thing scoots, boys. The torque and the throttle response is phenomenal. It's a Miata. It turns really well, but wow. Brakes are really strong too. This thing is a serious track car. He's got traction control in here, which I haven't even gotten into yet, so you know it's got more to give. Wow, this thing is so cool, guys. It is a full race car. And this is just at low boost. I think it's only making around 300 wheel, but 300 wheel in a Miata with an 8 HP is no joke, man. Just gonna try to push a little bit harder here because my racer instincts are kicking in and I want to really enjoy this. Yeah, it's sliding around a little bit now. Whoa, this thing is absolutely amazing. It just works so well. You can tell he's put thousands of hours into developing this car because it just goes. Wow, the traction this has. It's only on its like practice 245s. Unbelievable, this car's got so much grip. The acceleration is just constant with this gearbox. not talking more, guys, but it's just so engaging. It's so pure. Wow. I got no words. It's so good. Guys, I'm going to cool it down because I'm out of things to say. It is such a phenomenal package. It is so well executed. It's perfectly integrated. This gearbox works as well as any PDK or any sequential that I've ever tried. It is flawless. The shifts are immediate, super rapid. The rev shifts on downshifts are perfection. The power delivery around here is absolutely peak. I mean, there's basically no lag. It is a relatively small turbo, as we'll explain to you momentarily, and it's still at low boost. It's just at maybe 300 wheel, I think John was saying. And even at that power level, this car is just phenomenal to drive around here. It's so engaging. It's so well balanced. It's so gripped up. This might be the best race car I've ever driven around TMP, guys. And I've driven some epic cars around here, but this might be the best one ever. Wow. What a machine. And this, everybody, is John, the mad scientist behind this car. And John, I've got to shake your hand, sir.
Of course.
I bow to your powers because this is honestly one of the best track cars I've ever driven. And I've been driving track cars for 25 years. And this is just phenomenal. Like the level of integration you've executed with not only the engine, but with the gearbox, it's perfect. It's like the PDK experience in a Porsche or, you know, a sequential in a race car. It's really that good. So kudos to you. Like, what was the development process like on this car? I know you were saying to me off camera that you bought this car in 2017, basically stock.
Yep.
And you just sort of chipped away at it.
Yep, it's been my track car ever since I got it. I've just been slowly modifying it as things progressed, and it got a little bit out of hand.
Yes, they do that.
But it's a lot of fun.
So you're an engineer, so don't think at home that you guys are necessarily going to be able to achieve this in a summer. You even made all the carbon body panels on it. Can you tell us a little bit about like what power level was I at? What power level was it capable of?
Yep, so you were on wastegate, it was around 8 pounds and making about 300 horsepower.
Okay.
Usually when I'm competing with the car, it makes a little over 400 and it weighs about 2,700 pounds with me in it.
Really, it's that heavy? It doesn't feel that heavy. It still feels very much like a Miata, just with the world's greatest powertrain in it. It's so good. And the balance and grip of this car, guys, like typically I've driven a lot of higher horsepower Miatas and they always feel like they're fighting you. They don't have enough traction. They're always trying to kill you in the corners. This car is so gripped up, even on these little 245s. You have a 275 setup you run for competition. But even on this setup, the car is so well balanced, so gripped up. It's so easy to drive. I thought it was going to be intimidating. It wasn't. I was the happiest camper in the world in there, and I just wanted to push a little harder every lap. So we're going to put you in the car to turn a hot lap in it so that everyone can see its true capabilities, since you have a lot more seat time in it than I do. All right, John, what was the number, sir?
It was 115.
Whew, 115. And that is on the non-competition setup. Throw those big boy tires on there, turn up the boost. Probably 113s around here, maybe quicker, which is absolutely mind-blowing on a 200 tread wear tire. So, wow, what a machine. Thank you again, sir. That was so awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have so many project cars to build now, PT. I don't even know what to do, but I think we've answered the question, K-swap the world many times on this channel, but now we're starting to answer the question, 8HP swap the world, because wow, what a phenomenal gearbox. I want it in every car. I'm retiring my left leg. So let us know in the comments below, guys. Are we crazy? Putting automatics in race cars, is that the wrong thing to do? Or is it all about lap times and efficiency and technology and just going fast? However you can figure it out. So thank you again, John, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.